So I'm about to let my dog try this new ice cream I got for him called Dogsters. Oh, he's so cute. So it's like peanut butter and cheese flavored. And yeah, so let's do this. See, Dogsters. Nutley peanut butter and cheese flavor. So I just busted this thing open. Kratos, here boy, sit. So I busted these open. I think he's happy because he smells it. Oh. So yeah, Dogsters. Come on. And a little cup. It smells weird. Okay, Kratos. Wait, hey, calm down. Hey, stop licking me. I know you're excited. Oh, got off. No, look at that, look at that. So, guys, I think he's more interested in the top. Oh, no, he likes it. To him, it's like ice cream. He wants me to what?
He wants to take it away to his little private eating spot.
Yeah, but he can't. He always does that. Like when I give him chicken bones, he takes it away to his little eating spot, which is wherever. So that's gonna be annoying. I'm gonna need to move this to the carpet. Sorry, Kratos. Sorry to take away. Kratos, come back! And there we go. Alright. So I think he likes it, and now he has ice cream. So goodbye.